How to buy Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In order to buy Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for Minecraft, then select the official site of Minecraft. Here click on the game option. Now select Minecraft from here. You want to scroll down and select the device, then click on the buy now option. I'm going to select it for my Windows. Now select between Deluxe Collection and Standard Edition, then click on the checkout option. You will have to sign into your account, so go ahead and do that. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the next option over here. Then on the second page, you will have to select your payment method, select credit and debit card, then enter all of these details such as card number, card holder's name, CVV number. Once you have entered all of these details, click on the save option over here. After that, the next step is to review and confirm. Then you want to download the Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Next, you want to click on the download launcher for Windows 10 11 option. Now it's going to be downloaded here. Once it has been downloaded, you want to open this and then install the game in your PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.